Japan, how do global matrices and AI change day-to-day leadership? Translation helps. Fluency and reliability still carry the room. Foreign bosses leading Japanese teams and Japanese bosses leading abroad, often remotely, will become more common. Translation technology helps, but human-to-human interaction still requires direct fluency, which machines will not replace soon. Meanwhile, AI is a wild card without roadmaps. Managers must mentor both older and younger staff as they enter unfamiliar terrain together and keep communication clear, reliable, and structured. Leaders who adapt in these ways will be employers in demand. Those who cannot will feel growing pressure as change accelerates around them.